All right, today I've got a dead key fob from a 2019 Chevy Equinox. So it looks like the battery has died, and so we're gonna replace that today. So I'm gonna show you how I replace it. So the first thing is pick up a pack of batteries. You can get these at pretty much grocery stores or big box stores or even drugstores carry them. You wouldn't necessarily have to get a 6-pack. I think maybe they only come in 2 packs or 4 packs or 6 packs. So anyway, I picked up a 6-pack just because I like to have some of these on hand, and we've got multiple vehicles. So if we ever need it, we can replace it. And of course, you can use these batteries in other things other than key fobs. So here we go. So the way I do this is I find the little button here on the side and pop this out. And you've got a little key in here just in case you don't know. This key will actually unlock your door. Some people don't even know that this is in here, but it will unlock your door in case your key fob is dead. So once you do this, there should be a little rectangular area here, and you can actually use this. You don't need any tools or anything to do this project. So you stick this in here just a little tiny bit, and then you use it to just pry it open really carefully. And then I like to flip it over the other way because these buttons, they will come out, but I like to flip it over this way. And then here's the battery side, which is the back side. And then I use this same key to just pop this battery out. There you go. So the positive side, you can see the little plus sign, the positive side is down, or facing down, facing the back. So take that, get your new battery. You might have a little sticker on there. Get your new battery. Make sure you find the positive side, put it facing down, and make sure you pop it in. So you hear that pop, so you know it's in there. And then put this back on this way. Squeeze it together. Make sure this also pops when you put it together. And there, that's all together again. And then just simply replace this back in here. And there you go. That's how I replace a battery in a key fob.